Hey friends, welcome back for another video, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is another laundry video. I find from looking at my analytics that quite a number of people, well, in relation to my subscriber count, a number of people subscribed to a laundry motivation video. One of them had 19 subscribers, one had 12, and another one had 7. And that was the last time I checked, which was probably 2 days ago. So aside from the laundry videos, the videos that get the most views are the pregnancy related videos. Since we're not going to be pregnant anytime soon on purpose, I always have laundry to do, and I wanted to just give you the videos that make you stop and hit that subscribe button. So if you like laundry motivation videos, you like line drawing videos, laundry videos, then I'm gonna strive to do at least one of these per week, because guess what, I always have laundry. So if you want to see those videos and you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can expect to see one every week. So for this video, I did 3 days of laundry, so you're gonna see clothing changes, and I'll indicate what I washed on each day. Typically for me, bedding is done on a Monday, and I do this early before I get ready to go out for work, and then I'll just, throughout the week, I will just wash whatever load of laundry, whichever hamper fills up first, I'll just wash that. You'll see me looking back over in the corner. Baby boy is outside. For those who are new, I have a 6-month-old. He's chilling outside with me, so you'll see me talking to him from time to time. One of the things that I love about this clothesline or drying rack is that I can stand in one spot and hang the clothing items, which makes it easier for me when I'm hanging the sheets, especially my sheets that are king size sheets, so I don't have to be struggling to get the sheet over the line. I just pick a spot, put the first pin up, and then just pin the line and keep going. So here we are, it's day 2, and I'm gonna do the majority of the laundry today. I am working from home, and I am logging time using a time tracker, which if I leave the laptop idle for too long, it will time out. So it pays attention, or it registers is the proper word. It registers my keystrokes and mouse clicks. And you'll see me talking here because I'm using the voice typing tool that's in Google Docs. That keeps the screen active, keeps the timer active, because the screen stays active. So even though it's not counting any key clicks or mouse clicks, they can see when the screen capture is taken. if they actually look at the screenshots, they will see that I was actually working or making progress throughout the document. The audio typing tool, it doesn't always do such a good job. So sometimes I have to go back and change some of the things that it registers. So that's what I was doing when I stopped to type just now. So I just took out some white towels from out of the washer, and I'm putting in some light colors now. I'm using the baby fabric softener just because it's the most affordable one in the local store that I go to. It's the most affordable one that's made for high efficiency washers. That's the only reason I'm using this baby softener on our clothes, or on the boys' clothes. So as usual, I start by setting out the line. The reason we bring the clothes drying rack inside every time is we live across from the sea and what they call sea frost, which is, I guess, the salt in the air. It tends to rust things up really easily and quickly, so we try to not let this stay outside as long as there are no clothes on it. This drying rack and I are not the best of friends. It's always trying to do something to me. It's always trying to do some harm. I'll try and find a video where it snapped at me. The closing mechanism, the umbrella mechanism, it fell, and the clothes luckily were not touching the ground, but it did frighten me and it's hilarious. So I'll try to find the video and link it in the eye in the sky for you. If you're new and you haven't watched that video, you can go ahead and watch it when you're done watching this one. If you're like me and your laundry is never ending, please drop a laundry related emoji down in the comments. It can be anything, clothing, any piece of clothing. Drop the emoji down in the comments. So my next load is ready for me, and I'm gonna do another load. I'm gonna put another load into the washer, and I'm gonna go and pin these out on the line. So the whole point was to try and get as much laundry out of the way so that I wouldn't have too much to do on the weekend. I try every week to get the laundry done during the week as much as possible, and I'm usually left with laundry to do on the weekend, in all honesty. But I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to do a load a day. It doesn't always happen, but I'm trying. How do you do your laundry? Do you have just one laundry day, or do you do a load a day, or do you do like whenever the hamper fills up you do a load? Let me know down in the comments as well. So the point of this blur is because my underwear was doing the most and I wasn't about to delete all this footage, so you just can't block that out. Okay guys, so we are at day 3 and we are coming up to the end of the video. I had left my phone recording while I was hanging these clothes out, only to come and find that it had stopped recording because I think it was overheating. So this third day I did baby laundry, and you're just gonna see a tiny bit of it. If you made it this far, I want to thank you so much for spending this time with me. The video runs for another minute or so. If you make it all the way to the end, you are the real MVP, and I appreciate you so much. If you subscribe to this or any other laundry video and you haven't said hi in the comments yet, please say hi. I'd love to see who it is that subscribes to these videos and to properly welcome you to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!